Myself, Dr. Vijaya Dhale. I am from Maharashtra. I completed my BHMS and I took admission in GGIRHR in last year, June 2023. It's a PG Diploma course and I came to know it and I joined this course. It's online course 1 year, but practicals are offline. They provide very good study material. They conducted online classes on every Wednesday, and they took practicals and we give hands-on, and we get very much good knowledge on theory and also practicals. They give very much updated notes to us and their study material is also very good. I recommend this course to my friends because this course is in future we have very much scope, and I would suggest whoever is interested in embryology, they should take admission in GGIRHR because they provide very much updated notes and practical knowledge, and I give 10 out of 10 to GGIRHR Institute. Thank you.